from Tajmotormedics. I've got a VW Beetle here on a 2013 plate. Just doing a wiper blade on this, I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. And if you've got something like this, I'm wondering how to replace the wiper blade on this, I'll just exactly show you how it's done. Right, before I get on with it, now if I show you, this is a basically wiper arm. That's the wiper blade right there. The reason we're replacing this one, as you can see from the middle right there, is it's not good. So if I lift this up, I'm not sure if you can see it. Right there is broken. You see? So that's the reason we're replacing this. Now if you were to do this while it's situated, it's not possible, but it can be done if you force it. So what you got to do is push this button in and then pull the wiper out, as you can see right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to put it in service mode first. So what I need to do is, it's got a key, switch the ignition on. Once the ignition is on, I switch the ignition off again. Once I switch it off, I press down onto the stalk. As you can see now, that there is in service mode. So all I now do then is lift the wiper arms back. You can see that's nicely done. I then push this button in and at the same time take the wiper out. So gently do that, but make sure whatever you do, you have something here. If you've got a towel, just put a towel on the windscreen just in case this drops. If this drops, you're damaging your windscreen. So that's what it is. That's what I'm going to replace. And you can see right there, that's where the problem is. Now if you did need a part number, that's right there. And I've already fitted the fittings onto it. So this is the one. Basically that's the fitting number 4. So you got 2, you got 1, and then you've got 3. So what you need to do is put number 4 in. So you can either put this either way, so it doesn't matter. So as you can see, it's centralized. But with the other ones, the original ones, as you can see there, that can only go one way. Okay? So what I now do is, I push this in through right here. So once I push it in, that's it. And then I push down on it. So with a bit of pressure, that's it. So she's in now, brilliant. So that's not going anywhere. Bring the arms down again. I now switch the ignition on. Just run the wipers. Switch the ignition off. Now the service reset is complete on this particular model. Now this is a VW Beetles. If this is something you've got, you basically know how it's done then. And that's the interior. Right, that's all it was on this model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist as well for VWs, so you can check out other stuff like tire pressure reset, service reset, and bulbs and everything as well. Don't forget, thank you and goodbye.